I don't care what people think about me because I know myself better than anyone. There is not a single person who knows about me better than me because this is my life and I have to make my own decision. This is totally depend on me. What should I do? What should I avoid? And I have confidence because I haven't done anything wrong yet and I'm not doing unacceptable work. So, when you start to learn something new, there are a lot of people who start to unlike you because they don't know about you better than you. They don't care about, they don't want you achieve your goal. That's why you don't care about them. You just keep consistency and running behind your dream. As like me, I don't care about anyone. I don't care what people think about me. So, never make delay to learn something new. There is no one can assist you better than yourself. Only you can sense yourself, only you can assist yourself to learn something new and that can assist you to achieve your enormous dream. No way to raise you soon, Mercy.